The optimal foods for Blood Group A diet. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Understanding the importance of diet for Blood Group A is crucial for maintaining optimal health. People with this blood type may find they thrive on a diet that is more plant-centric, emphasizing the consumption of fruits, vegetables, and grains. For individuals with blood type A, a plant-based diet holds significant value. This dietary approach aligns well with their digestive system, which can more easily process plant proteins and carbohydrates than those from animal sources, potentially leading to better overall health and energy levels. Whole grains are a cornerstone for those with blood type A, offering not only vital nutrients, but also supporting digestive health. Incorporating whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats into meals can help ensure a balanced and nutritious diet. Vegetables play a starring role in the diet of someone with blood type A. Particularly beneficial are leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables such as kale, spinach, and broccoli, which provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, supporting both digestion and immune function. The consumption of leafy greens is especially advantageous for individuals with blood type A. These greens are not only nutrient-dense, but also contribute to a healthy gut, which is pivotal for absorbing nutrients effectively and bolstering the immune system. Exploring soy products offers a fantastic protein source for individuals with blood type A. These include tofu, tempeh, and edamame, which are not only rich in protein, but also provide essential amino acids, making them a perfect meat substitute for this blood group. Seafood selections like salmon, sardines, and cod are highly recommended for those following a blood type A diet. These fish are not only lean sources of protein, but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, supporting heart and brain health. Legumes play a crucial role in enhancing the diet of someone with blood type A. Foods such as lentils, black beans, and chickpeas are not only high in protein and fiber, but also beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and aiding digestion. Fruits like figs, plums, and cherries should be prioritized by individuals with blood type A. These fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and vitamins that can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin seeds, peanuts, and flax seeds, offer significant benefits for blood type A. They are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help in maintaining heart health and promoting satiety. For individuals with blood type A, avoiding meat is crucial due to its potential to negatively affect digestion and overall health. A plant-based diet aligns more closely with their body's natural tendencies, promoting better metabolism and reduced disease risk. Dairy alternatives become essential for blood type A, who may experience sensitivities to conventional dairy products. Options like almond milk and coconut yogurt not only prevent discomfort, but also provide necessary nutrients without compromising digestive health. Incorporating gluten-free grains such as quinoa and rice into a blood type A diet offers a hearty source of energy and fiber. These grains are gentle on the digestive system, supporting a smooth metabolic process while providing essential nutrients. Fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut are a boon for blood type A's digestive health. Their probiotic content aids in maintaining a healthy gut flora, crucial for digestion and absorption of nutrients, enhancing overall wellness. Beans and pulses stand out in the diet of someone with blood type A. Rich in protein and fiber, they support heart health and weight management. Their versatility makes them an invaluable component of a balanced plant-based diet. Recommended oils and fats for a blood type A diet lean towards the healthier spectrum, with olive oil topping the list. Its heart-healthy properties and versatility in cooking make it an ideal choice. Flaxseed oil is also highly beneficial, offering a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support cardiovascular health and cognitive function. Herbs and spices not only add flavor without the calories, but also bring a host of health benefits for those with blood type A. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory properties, is particularly beneficial, as is ginger, which aids digestion. Incorporating these into daily meals can help enhance overall well-being. Limiting sugar intake is crucial for blood type A individuals to maintain their health and avoid spikes in blood sugar levels. Opting for natural sweeteners like stevia or small amounts of honey can satisfy sweet cravings without the negative effects of refined sugars. Beverages that are most compatible with blood type A include green tea and water. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, supporting the immune system and aiding in weight management. Staying hydrated with water is essential for digestion and overall health. Adopting a mostly vegetarian diet offers numerous benefits for blood type A individuals. This diet supports their natural inclination towards a more plant-based nutrition, reducing the risk of heart disease and improving digestive health. It also aligns with their body's natural food tolerances and digestion capabilities. Planning meals around the best fruit and vegetable choices for blood type A not only ensures a diet rich in nutrients, but also supports immune function and digestion. Emphasizing vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and kale, alongside fruits such as cherries and figs, can maximize health benefits. For blood type A individuals looking to boost their protein intake without relying on meat, exploring plant-based sources is key. Incorporating soy products, lentils, and nuts like almonds into daily meals can provide ample protein while aligning with blood type A dietary recommendations. The emphasis on organic and fresh produce is vital for those with blood type A, as it minimizes exposure to pesticides and chemicals that can disrupt their immune system. Opting for organic where possible supports overall well-being and aligns with the dietary needs of blood type A. In a blood type A diet plan, supplements play a crucial role in filling nutritional gaps. Vitamins B12 and D, often found in animal products, may be deficient in a plant-based diet, making supplementation necessary for optimal health. Seasonal eating not only aligns with the natural produce cycle, but also ensures that individuals with blood type A consume the freshest and most nutrient-dense foods. Embracing seasonal fruits and vegetables can enhance the diet's benefits, promoting better digestion and overall well-being. Adhering to a blood type A diet might also offer psychological benefits, such as improved mood and reduced stress levels. The emphasis on whole foods and plant-based ingredients can contribute to a clearer mind and a more balanced emotional state. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.